We are a company driven by quality and innovation. We focus on the R&D and production of hose and pipe fittings. We provide customers with high-quality products and services. We are Zhejiang Weixing Metal Products Company Limited. Zhejiang Weixing Metal Products Company Limited was established in 1996. The main products are the aluminum, brass, stainless steel, and copper steel cam and groove couplings, etc. All products are manufactured strictly according to the American standard A-A-59326 and DIN2828 Germany standard and OEM. Products are widely used in water and oil transportation systems, in military, petroleum, firefighting, chemical, agricultural, and other industries. The company has introduced international advanced technology and first-class equipment to bring together industry elites. The company has formed a complete set of product self-development, mold design, aluminum gravity casting, die casting, T6, heat treatment, and brass and aluminum forging, as a complete set of production processes, including product production and processing. Since its establishment, the company has been adhering to the development tenet of quality is life. From product development, manufacturing, to sales and after-sales service, Weixing people integrate the concept of excellence and the persistent pursuit of perfection into every detail. Because we believe that perfection comes not only from the inside of the material itself, but more from the consideration of each process. Today's Weixing, relying on excellent quality and perfect facilities, high-quality service concept, rich manufacturing experience, and fast after-sales service. The market has reached Europe, the United States, the Middle East, Australia, Southeast Asia, etc., and is deeply trusted and praised by customers. In the past, Weixing has marched into the global market with passion and vitality. In the future, Weixing will continue to adhere to the principle of people-oriented, quality first, integrity first, and sincere cooperation, committed to providing customers with the best quality products and the most satisfactory services. This is the ideal of every Weixing person and Weixing's commitment to society. Great waves sweep away sand, and the real success stands out. Weixing will write a new chapter in China's metal manufacturing industry with extraordinary perseverance and courage.